Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Today I was at Brisbane Magistrates Court. Client was charged with drug driving, being the lesser of the two drug driving offences called relevant drug present. There's two types of drug driving charges. Relevant drug present, which simply means it's been found in your system, but also the more serious one is driving under the influence of a drug. So the lesser means it's just in your system. The higher one means you're actually high on drugs. The client being charged with the lesser charge was eligible to apply for a drug driving work licence. To be eligible, there's a number of factors, but you can't have lost your licence in the last 5 years. So I was initially engaged to apply for a work licence for my client, but as a part of that, unless you're self-employed, you must have your employer involved. Your employer needs to sign an affidavit stating that without your licence, you'll lose your job. Unfortunately, when my client approached his employer about it, rather than being a decent human being and assisting him, he simply fired him. So with a work licence, you have to have a job to lose. If you've already lost it, you can't be granted it. So you can only be granted it for a job that you've got, not one that you had or that you're looking for. So as soon as he lost that job, he became ineligible for a work licence. And thanks to this employer being an A-grade human being, my client was A, without a job, and B, unable to apply for a work licence. So when that occurred, my job then became one of minimising the damage. Worst case scenario is a 9-month loss of licence. Best case is 1 month. Obviously, I was striving for that. I prepared submissions detailing the fact that he's unemployed, he's now looking for work. The longer he's off the road, the longer he'll be unemployed, etc. He's only ever worked in driver's licence dependent roles. So, you know, common sense says he would only ever get one in the future. So the longer he's off the road, he's going to be unemployable. Short version, I was successful in persuading the magistrate to give the minimum 1 month. So we got a 1 month disqualification and a low-end fine. But further to that, given he's seeking work, I made pretty forceful submissions about whether or not a conviction should be recorded, and those were ultimately successful as well. So 1 month disqualification, modest fine, no conviction recorded, client's happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman, thanks for watching.
Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving?